Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or talking to with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted nitty-gritty, looking to what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll get value here in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, watching 176 here as potential short on Tesla. Short meaning what I will make money if prices go down and lose money if prices go up if you're a beginner. So watching 176, but want to see how, let me in fact get this alerted in the chat room. Flush point, 1 minute, there we go. All right, I will pause for now, and if it looks like it's going to come into play, then I'll get the video going. I am potentially also interested at 177 if this 176 mark does not come into play, but we'll have to see. I'll go ahead and pause. Coming down, and I was too slow, and I missed it. Wow, turned my back for a second, and look at that move. Let's come over here to Nvidia. See if it wants to get down here through this 151.40 mark. Oh, that's painful on Tesla. But yeah, let's see if Nvidia wants to follow it down. As of now, though, holding strong, and even coin looks pretty interesting. Oh yeah, coin, I gotta get that alerted. Coin 44, flush point, 1 minute. In fact, I like coin all. Even better than Tesla. So watching 44 here on coin. Oh, or I mean, there goes Nvidia down. Choices. I'm going to stick here with coin. There we go, filled on the back test. Let's see if we can start to get some movement here to the downside now. Yeah. Oh, what kind of joke is this? There we go. That was a pain to get out of. But Nvidia, yeah. Let's see if this thing wants to come down. Watching 151.35. All right, they're at 151.35 in. So let's see if this thing wants to keep on breaking down. Again, short, so if the price does go down, that is a good thing. Took off some there just because it is a choppy market. So trying to err on the side of caution. Would like to get my next allotment out at the 151 mark. Took off another 150. Still have 200 shares left. I just watched Tesla and it continues to bleed, and this one is just not following it, which is a bit discouraging. So yeah. All right, two very, very basically non-trades. And of course, the one that I missed was turn my back for a second. That's the one that whoosh, just like that. I mean, a fantastic, fantastic move. But 175 could get interesting. Yep, and that's why I wanted to hop out of Nvidia. You can see it wasn't just quite giving me what I needed, and now gone green. But let's keep an eye here on Tesla and see if this wants to recover back upwards. So yeah, now I'm up $34, but basically, like I said, essentially two failed trades. Although a very interesting candle just formed here on Nvidia. Bounce and then a potential big old failure right here. All right, I will pause. I don't know, did I even hit record? Hopefully I'm recording right now. All right, I am. All right, now I will pause. And a quick update here on Nvidia. You can see even that breakdown, no really movement, and now it's bouncing back up. So potentially another setup there, but also showing a market that doesn't seem to have much follow through right now. In fact, kind of choppy. Tesla though, right now nothing too choppy, just potentially still just consolidating out here. Would like to see it go up and maybe hit 175, and then I'd be interested at 174. Or even getting up above 175 and then coming back down. But yeah, we'll have to see what this one wants to do right now. But Tesla's, just consolidating out here a bit. Okay, there we go. Again, want to see it get up a bit more. Or do I just try to go for 174 now here? Yeah, 174 here could be solid. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, never mind on 174 because we seem to have a bigger move here now all of a sudden. Would be interested at 175 now. In at 175. Short. Let's see if this thing wants to come back down now. Getting caught up at that VWAP right now. All right, down through VWAP. Took off 100 there, so a third of my position. Took off another third. And yeah, I'm going to be out there, so I think for again, another small gain. And there it goes back up. Now, if this wants to come back down, I could be interested again at the 175 mark, but as you're seeing, I just not getting a whole lot of follow through here. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 174.75 to short here on Tesla. Potentially interested at 176, but the price would first have to get up through 176. So I'll keep an eye on it. All right, knocking on the door of 176. Like I said, I want to see it get through. But it never could quite get through there. Ideally hits 176, then goes up, hits right around, I don't know, 176.50-ish. And then comes back down. So it's trying for the break of 176 right now and struggling to do so. Yeah, it's just knocking on the door. All right, there we go. Got up through it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, I'm on for 176 now if it comes into play. So if 176 comes into play, I'm interested here on Tesla. But let's see what it wants to do. I'll go ahead and pause, but yeah, okay, maybe getting close. Close enough for me, 176.07. Let's see what happens. So let's see if this thing does indeed want to come down. So coming down a bit. Whoa, look at that turnaround. What was up with that? Come back down. All right, took off 50. Took off another 100. So still have half my position left, but as I've been saying, this market has been rough, continues to be rough. All right, not fooling around with it anymore. Again, that one still may come down, but what I've learned when I say the market, I'm talking about the past few months, is if you're not aggressive, if you're not going to just take things and give, of course you don't get in and then 2 seconds later you get out, but you don't want to give the thing a whole lot of time either, because like I said, this market can tend to just snap back around on you oh so fast. And again, maybe I'm going to look stupid on Tesla because maybe the price does come back down, but maybe I'm about to look smart too by getting out. However, that's just the nature. I think that's why these videos are popular, because it's truly live, and it illustrates how trading works. It's easy to look in a textbook, right, and say, I'm like, oh yeah, of course you would have done that. Oh yeah, of course you'd have done that. Well, yeah, when you know what happens, but when you don't, presents a new set of challenges. All right, I will go ahead and pause. But yeah, I am now up 110 with basically 4 failed trades. Now, if there's any motivation here, I hope the motivation is wow. So it's not like you have to be a perfect trader. It's not like you have to nail every trade in order to make money. No, you can basically have failed trades where they don't work, they don't go in your favor, and still make money. And that's where I'm at here. It's 4 trades, nothing. Sure, they went my favor enough to make some money, but not enough in my favor to really consider it any sort of worthwhile winning trade. But yeah, so to think that, and I'm up over $100, and it's 9:54 in 25 minutes. I mean, seriously, where can you make $100 in 25 minutes when you're actually not really having that much success? Kind of a crazy thing if you just stop and think about it. If you pull yourself away from the social media world of people posting, 10-digit gains all the time, whether or not that's real, like I said, that's a whole separate topic, but it's very easy to kind of lose perspective. And as I always say, I know, maybe annoying, but it's something that's always worth repeating. Would you ever go up to someone that makes minimum wage? Or let's just say this, let's say somebody makes $50 an hour. Would you ever go up to that person like, I made $100 in 25 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. They would say, wait, what? So again, perspective matters. I will go ahead and pause. All right, I stepped away for a while and back, so have not done anything since the last update. And as you just heard me saying, I realized in my mind it's been like 15 minutes ago. But yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and move on. I'll take it. $25, or not $25, 25 minutes, $100 in my pocket after essentially 4 failed trades that didn't work out. I am not a greedy savage. I will take it. But this does not seem like a market that is worth sticking around and devoting any more time to. And for me, as somebody that does this as one of many streams of income, because I pursue the commodity of time. I want freedom of time. I don't want to have to be chained to my computer for all day long, especially in this kind of garbage action. So yeah, made 4 trades. None of them really worked. So $100, 25 minutes. I'll take it. I'm grateful for it. And I'd encourage you to have those same types of attitudes too. So thanks for hanging out. Everybody take care. And wouldn't you know it, my power just went out. So I'm on battery. Well, I'm definitely done trading now, regardless of if I want to, because my power is out and I'm on generator right now. So yeah, there's that too. But everybody, if you enjoyed these videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.